Mi Band 5 to launch on June 11. Xiaomi has been working on the Mi Band 5 for a while, and we have been hearing about it for some time. Now, a WeChat post by the Xiaomi Mall public account via Giz China confirms that the Mi Band 5 will launch on June 11 in China. The post itself doesn't give away much about the upcoming fitness tracker, but we have a lot of leaks and reports about the band. The Mi Band 5 is going to change the design of the tracker a bit. It seems Xiaomi is removing the slight indent on the front of the band and going for a simple, flat design this time. There are also reports that the Mi Band 5 will come with a new type of charger. Giz China says the band is going to come with a plug-in charger instead of a cradle with pogo pins on it. On the feature front, the Mi Band 5 will likely add NFC to the global variant as well. There are also reports that the band will come with Google Pay support. That will likely be a pretty big addition to the band, allowing users to make NFC payments with Google Pay. We have also seen reports that the Mi Band 5 will come with new analog watch faces and 5 new sports modes. It remains to be seen how much of what we have heard from reports turns out to be true when Xiaomi releases the Mi Band 5 on June 11.